Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I make my tortas, and these are the ingredients that I'll be using. And of course you can always change the ingredients that you prefer. We're also going to have kettle corn barbecue chips with our torta, so let's get started. So I like to start by slicing my tomatoes and also cutting my avocado and just peeling my lettuce. Next, I'm going to go ahead and open my bolillos, cut them right through the half. I like to take the edges off. So I open all these and then I add some butter inside of the bread and get them ready for the griddle. I'll be using the Mexican style blend cheese and deli shaved turkey. You can use ham if you like. Okay, so now we are ready to start cooking our turkey. So I have buttered my griddle and I like to put 3 to 4 slices of ham or turkey, whatever I'm using. Just depending on how long your bread is, that's how many pieces you want to put. So I do 4 for one side and then 4 for the other. The next thing that I'm going to use is going to be the cheese. You can add, of course, as much or as little as you want. We love cheese, so sometimes I even put it on both sides, but not today. I just put it on one side. So you want to go ahead and let that just sizzle or cook for just a few seconds. You'll start seeing when the ham is or the turkey is ready, and you want to go ahead and flip one of the side that has no cheese on top of the side with cheese. So once that has cooked for just a few seconds, we're going to go ahead and flip it and let the other side cook. Okay, so now that I have all my turkey and cheese cooked, next will be the bread. So now we're going to go ahead and toast these on the griddle. I did put a little bit of butter on the other side of the bread just so it can get that toasty, yummy flavor. So once you do that, they will look like this. And this is the final product with all of my bread done. So now we're ready to assemble our tortas. I do add a little bit of mayonnaise on one of the sides of the bread. Once that's done, I close my tortas and leave them on the griddle for just a few seconds, and then start adding my lettuce, tomato, and all the ingredients. So this is how my torta turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.